Add $225 to your wallet just for watching the news. The news never stops, and we're all constantly refreshing for the latest updates. You probably know more than one news expert who thinks of themselves as a political mastermind, or an expert in wealth, or an expert in health. And research companies want to pay you to keep watching. Add up to a few $100s a month to your pocket by signing up for a free account with InboxDollars. It'll present you with short news clips to watch in your free time every day, then ask you a few questions about them. You have to answer honestly, and InboxDollars will continue to pay you every month. Might sound too good to be true, but it's already paid its users more than $56 million. Takes about a minute to sign up and start getting paid to watch the news. Let's get started. And if you stick with me until the end, I will give you my secret method of making a full-time income from home, even as a beginner. And make sure, before we continue, to like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you touch the bell icon, because I go over how to make money, tutorials, reviews, and step-by-step ways so that you can start making money online. At the end of this video, I'll be saying a secret word so that I know, for those people who actually stay to the end, who actually made it. So this is InboxDollars. And so I just want to dive deep into it and kind of tell you what it means and how you can get paid every month for doing simple, extremely simple tasks. Okay, so you are rewarded for watching videos, taking surveys, shopping, and cash offers. And this is where you will eventually sign up right here. Just put in your email, password, and they will actually pay you $5 just for signing up. So let's go ahead and jump into this right here to give you guys a small idea of what's going on, and then we'll dive into it deeper.
Have you heard about InboxDollars yet? InboxDollars is the fun rewards club that pays you real cash for the everyday things you do online. Things like sharing your opinion by taking surveys and completing short polls. Watch the latest trending videos, search the web, shop online, and much more. It's free and easy to join. So get started now earning cash for your everyday online activities. And when you're ready to, cash out and receive real cash or gift cards to a variety of popular retailers. Since 2000, InboxDollars has given away over $50 million to its millions of happy members. Join today for free at InboxDollars.com or in the App Store. InboxDollars.
So now you guys can see it's earn cash for everyday online activities. This is something you can just do in your spare time. So it's not going to take tons of your time, and it can add an extra couple $100s per month. Okay. So how it works is brands pay them for consumer input. They recruit members like you, and that's where you'll get in your email mailbox different activities. You do online activities like paid surveys, paid videos and TV, redeeming free food and grocery coupons, paid shopping, and more. And in result, you earn real cash, not points. Okay, so these are the different activities you get paid. Online surveys, most online surveys for money pay from 50 cents to $5 and take 3 minutes to 25 minutes to complete. There are some online surveys that pay 10, 20, or even more if you match the demographic profile they're looking for. Taking branded surveys for money is a fun and popular way to earn. Who doesn't want to earn survey money for their opinions? Okay, watching videos. This is the one that we were talking about earlier, where you can just get paid for watching videos. It's kind of nice. Big brands, companies want consumers to watch short snippets of their content, like movie trailers or new product features. They pay us, and we share a portion of those earnings with you. You can even complete a short survey for money while you're catching up on the latest celebrity gossip or watching a cooking demonstration. Get rewarded for playing games. Cash back for online shopping. So earn cash back while you shop online. Get free samples, discounts from top brands, and more. This one's really neat because you can get paid just to read emails. Receive our best offers directly to your email, and we'll pay you cash just for reading them, or complete the offer for additional earning opportunities. It's quick and easy to get paid for doing what you're already doing online. Don't worry, we won't flood your email, so they're not going to spam you, right? And then coupon cash rewards, get access to free coupons for groceries, home, beauty, and more. Use them to save money on your everyday purchases. So if you're thinking, hey, this kind of sounds a little bit odd, it kind of sounds a little bit too good to be true, here's some good reviews for you. So there's over $80 million in cash rewards paid out. With Trustpilot, which is a very trusted review center, over 222,000 reviews and a 4-star rating. Here's a few of their reviews. It takes some time, but it's an easy way to earn a little bit of money. I wish we could get more. Thank you. Best website. Thank you. Like I said before, InboxDollars is great. They usually do a couple of hours of it. Partners that they work with: Netflix, Target, H&R Block, Walmart. It just makes it simple and easy to earn money online. And again, if you sign up right here, they will literally pay you over $5 just to sign up. So if you have made it this far, I want to congratulate you, and I want to invite you to comment down below where you are from and also the keyword affiliate marketing, because I want to gift you this free ebook that I put together so that you can learn how to make money online through affiliate marketing. And this is the exact process that I have used to quit my 9-to-5 and to make over $4,000 per month on average. And so all you have to do is click the link down below, put in your email, and the first email that you get from me will be my ebook and also a free tutorial that I made just for you, over 40 minutes, on how I do this myself. So go ahead, comment where you're from, comment affiliate marketing, just to let me know that you finished this video, and make sure to click the link down below or right here on the top right as well to get your free ebook and your 40-minute affiliate marketing training. And again, thanks so much for tuning in. Appreciate you. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification to get all my Make Money Online tutorials, reviews, and step-by-step trainings so that you can be in front of everyone else on the way to make your money online. We'll see you in the next one.